Hello and welcome to the Elites FX. In this video, we are going to discuss in detail about the risk management and calculating the load size or the trade size while using our signals. So when we talk about risk management, the trading success is entirely dependent upon your psychology and then the risk management. Because in the long run, if you want to make money in this trading game, you got to be able to manage your risk properly. So, keeping that in mind, we are going to discuss how you can basically manage your account according to you, manage your risk according to your account size. So, here I have sort of some examples of how our signals looks like. So, with each signal, you will get your entry price and your stop loss, and then you will get your stop loss pips. This number is really important and it's going to help you a lot while calculating your load size. And then we recommend a risk with each trade. Now, usually we don't recommend risking more than 1% on one single trade of your account. So we'll basically use 1% as our example for the purpose of this video. Now, the risk management or the percentage of risk depends upon each trader's own trading style, because when you're scalping, you are mostly using very lower risk, but when you are swing trader for the longer term, you might think of risking more than 1% a trade. But just for the sake of this video, we're gonna think 1% as the um, recommended risk. So with each signal, you'll get this recommended risk. So let's make it 1% for this video. Okay. So whenever you receive a signal in our group, first what you have to say is what's the trading pair. This is GBP CAD, and then you have to see how many pips are in the stop loss. These are two important things. Now the second step is to go on a load size calculator. Now there are multiple calculators, risk sizing calculator, and we're gonna put links of those calculators in the description of this video. But just for the purpose of the video, you can go on this My FX book and then click here on FX calculators tab. So let me just zoom in so you can see properly. Yeah, there we go. So this FX calculators, we're gonna click here and it will open up different sort of calculators here. So what we're going to do is we are going to select this position sizing calculator. So we're going to click here and it will open up a position size calculator. So the second step is to select your currency pair. So going back to the signal, in this example it was GBP CAD. So we have to select that here. So we're going to search for GBP CAD. There we have it. And then you have to put your account currency, whatever the currency you are trading with in your account. You're gonna select that, and then for the purpose of this video, let's use USD as our standard currency, and then the account size. So account size is really important. So everyone is going to have different account sizes, and you have to use that account size in order to calculate your risk or the load size. So let's put, for example, you are trading with $10,000. Your total account size is $10,000. So now you have to just put that here, and then this is basically a risk ratio. So how much risk you know basically try to put in this trade. So let's use 1% for this example, and then this thing, the stop loss pips. This is important. So you have to go and check how many pips are there in the stop loss. So we're going to use those as 35. Okay. And then we're going to just press calculate. So now this is basically giving us this load size 0.39. So this is going to be your load size. So now the next what you have to do is use this load size while using that signal. So if I go on the MT4, if we pull up GBP CAD, so let me open up GBP CAD, open chart window, There we have it. So now when you are using and opening a trade, you have to use 0.39 as your risk size or load size, and then you're gonna open a trade. So that's how you are going to calculate your risk size or the load size. Same is for the sell, same thing. If you're trading NZD and stop loss is 35 and you're risking 1%, so you have to just select NZD and then put up your account size, risk, and number of stop loss pips, and then just calculate. So now in this example, see, it's 0.29 loads here. It's different thing because the pip value of NZD is entirely different from the pip value of GBP CAD. That's why we have to calculate our risk size every time. So if you're trading NZD and you got this signal, so now what you have to do is open 0.29 instead of 39. So now, for example, if you were to open this trade, you are just going to click here and use 0.29 as your trade size or the load size. So that's how you are going to calculate your risk using position sizing calculator. So this is it from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.